So today we are going to solve this question 1456 number, which says that we need to find the maximum number of vowels in a substring of a given length. So see, we are given a string S and an integer k. Return the maximum number of vowel letters in any substring of S with length k. Okay, see, the vowels are in small which are given to us A, E, I, O, U. And now up to length k, we have to return the substring which contains vowel letters, okay, the maximum one. So let us see this. See, the k is given as 3, okay. You might ask why 3. So the k for this is given as 3 to us. Number of vowels is how many? Only 1. Okay. Now see the number of vowels here. Again we see these 3. Okay. The number of vowels is how many? 1. Again, see, we will see till here. Number of vowels is how many? It is 2. Okay. Now you have to see this part. Okay, this part. There are 3 eyes. So the number of vowel is 3. Okay. So, yeah. So we calculated it from there. Okay. So now we will calculate it from here. Okay. These 3. So now it is, okay, this one and this one, it is 2. So now we will calculate it from here, okay, here. DE, ye wala, IDE. It will be 2. Then this is your last one. Okay, DEF. After this we cannot find anything which will give us 1. So what's the maximum one which we got? It is 3. I and we got this one as the highest. Okay, let me say that this question which you are going to solve can be solved in a very good approach. See, we can't find every time by using loops and then brute force. Let me check a better solution. Okay, see, we will use sliding window concept. Okay, we will use sliding window concept. Okay, so we are going to see that ABC, okay, found number of vowel 1. Then C, the next one will be this, right? What if I say that we will again do that approach which we did is we will increase 1, okay, increase 1 and decrease -1, increase 1 and then decrease -1 from there. And also if our new one, okay, if the new one, if it contains vowel, then we will do plus plus, okay, then we will do plus plus, means we will increment. And if our old one, contained vowel already, so what will happen? It will be a reduction to our, okay, it will be a reduction to our case. Supposingly if it was till here, okay, if it was till here. So basically see, if there were 2, okay, okay, for this case, and now when we had to find a new case, we will use till here, okay. Now see, in this case you find it's 3. But what will I see that this is a new one, okay, this I1, this is a new one, okay, basically ये वाला का मैं बात कर रही हूँ. So we increased our count and the number of vowels. Okay, we saw that this went in a loss, this went in a loss. We decreased it. Okay, we decreased it. So basically we are going to use this approach. Okay, we are going to use this approach. If there is a vowel, we will increase it. Otherwise, we will decrease it. And that's how we find the best solution. So, first let's write the vowel function. Okay, vowel method. So is vowel. So we will take, like, we have to check character wise, right? So I'm taking ch, character ch. Now if our character is a, then we will return true. Similarly, else if our character is e, we will return true. Similarly, if our character is I, we will return true. Similarly, if our character is, else if ch is equal to o, we will return true. Again, else if our character is equal to u, all these are in small cases just because it's already given that we need to take the smaller ones, return true. And else in all the cases, it will return me false. Okay, we made this method now. So now we will come to the part where we have to check whether it's there or not. Okay, highest one. So we will take a count also to increment an answer also, initially keeping both as 0. Then we will increment a loop by taking I is equal to 0 up to k. Okay, we will take it up to k. This is the first one where we will be checking that how much is our count. So we have to check character. We will be taking out the characters, and then we will be checking if our character is a vowel or not. If our character is a vowel or not. So if it is, then we will increment the count. Sorry, we will increment the count. And then we will keep the answer as count. Then also for the next one, we will start our I with the k. Okay. And after that, because where the k ends, from there the I will start again. So yeah, and it will go till the last one, s dot length. Okay, and I plus plus. Then again we will take out two characters. Let's name it as hi hello. Okay, s dot char at I, the first character. Okay, from the new one. Okay, and we will take out the second character from the last one which we took. Okay, I minus k. Supposingly if our I is at 4 and if the k is also 4, then 4 minus 4, the 0th index value will come in this. So I'm taking it as hello. So yeah, I minus k. Now if is a vowel high. Okay, if our high is vowel, if the new one is vowel, what will happen? We said that we will increment our count. Okay, we will increment our count, and if is vowel hello, then we will decrement the count. Then we will decrement the count, and after this, sorry, okay, we will keep it after that. So we will return the maximum out of what? We will return the maximum out of the answer and the count. Okay. And then we return our answer. Okay. Then we return our answer. So, Okay, so basically let's try to submit this out. Okay, let's try to submit this code and check whether we are having any errors or not. Okay, let's see. Basically we can't find any sim. Okay, so for the length they have given k. Okay, so we did a mistake here. Okay, now let's see if there are any more mistakes to it. Again there is a mistake from we didn't initialize, I guess, because of that. Okay, it's accepted. Now we will submit the code. Basically we use the sliding window approach. So thanks for watching this video.